God bless it is hot, man. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Squeeps here, and in today's video I am at that right there, Tail of the Dragon. I actually just got done, that's why I'm so sweaty. I just wanted to shoot a quick intro and outro at Tail of the Dragon. Super sick. Obviously it says there's 318 curves. I try to get as much footage as I can. I've got my brother's GoPro, my camera, and I've tried the van top, like the mirror dash cam. I don't know if I'll be able to get the recordings off. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let's go look at the cars. Let's go look at the Tiger King wrap. Look at my car and shambles. Look at that ugly Celica. This thing's sick though, dude. This wrap. I love this color. Dude, the Tiger King in the back too.
Stay strapped with the tiger.
What a combination, man. How unfortunate, me and the 300ZX got left behind. Freaking red light. We hit another light, so now we're getting even more left behind. Me and the 300 right behind me. A little tunnel action, we give them the light. Pick the stopping spot. Bathroom, we're out there. Sorry, guys. Okay, here we go. Got Hunter behind me. Cars in front of me. Oh, that's awesome. They caught that trooper. Just turned into where we were and just turned around, even though he saw all of us. Sweet. Trooper, you're awesome. 2 R35s right behind me. That's sick.
No, there was more. Most you gotta look at.
Here we go, about to go get some girls, I think, or beer, I don't know. But we did our first pass. He doesn't have a working seatbelt in the passenger seat.
So I'm sitting here flying around. God bless.
Hunter's throwing him around like a rag doll.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, he risked his life for the footage. This is cool looking. Little dragon. Man, it's got a little hot. I think it's super pretty. Unfortunate. Lost a bunch of coolant. Round 2. Look at this little vet. All the Mustangs. Real quick before I go, I'm letting Hunter move my car. Move it, Hunter. Don't stall it.
I'm gonna stall it though.
And don't let it just roll off this little ramp here. I want you to actually drive it over there and park it.
I'm not gonna do that.
Go for the tube. Do it right now.
Whoa! Supposed to turn. It was gonna be funny. You gotta
Oh, okay. Whoa, where did he go? It's not like he ran over here behind me in the woods. So we can take pictures of your car and then we can leave because it's hot.
I don't want to move your car.
Just move it, dude. Don't stall it.
I'm gonna stall it.
Just go.
I don't like driving other people's cars.
Just go. Honey, you broke my car.
Came off.
Look, it's a trick, alright? It's the built-in security device. Watch. You grab the handle, push with your knee. Oh, you locked it. Dang it, Hunter. What the? Hunter, you got that thing stuck down in there.
That was your fault. You the one that pressed it.
Hunter, you locked me out of my own car. Look, you got that thing stuck down in there.
It's fine.
Well, I put this thing on.
Okay.
The door handle. Okay. Now get away from my car. I don't think you can see him, but there for a second he ended up getting stuck on the pulling out of the gas station. Oh man. Time to drive a little over an hour home. Here we go. Oh man, nearly home. Nearly a couple red lights away. I'm not even gonna lie, I feel so tired. I don't know why. That was intense though. That was so much fun. Oh hey, didn't see you there. I got this. A cool pin. A nice little sticker. Be sure to watch the next week's video. Maybe it'll be painted, the car. Probably not, honestly. Let me think. No, maybe. I'm honestly thinking at earliest we could probably paint next weekend. I don't know, but sorry this went up a day late. I had to edit it. I literally got home at like 3:15, and then by the time I went through all the footage and actually chose what I wanted, it was like 4:30. Thank you guys again for watching. I will see you guys next, hopefully Wednesday. Hopefully not Thursday, but Wednesday. So, see you then.